everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Jcpenny credit card account. If you'd like to manage your credit card account on the go, securely accessing your account information wherever you are or whenever you want, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.jcpcreditcard.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main login page of Jcpenny credit card account, which is issued by Synchrony Bank. Go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text field that you see, and then head over to the next field and type in your password. Double check your password if you've typed it incorrect or not by clicking on this little eye icon or the show link right next to it. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, you can check this box right here where it says remember user ID. But in case you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on this I forgot my user ID link for your user ID or password link for your password. Follow the instructions in order to look for your user ID or to reset your password. After filling in all of your information correct in the respective text boxes, click on the secure login button and you'll be logged into your Jcpenny credit card account in no time. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.